Hey everyone, this is Hayden with Sherpa, and today I'm going to show you how to build a roof rack. This roof rack is a little bit special as it's going on a race car, but the process is pretty similar, so let's dive into it. So as many of you know, we do some racing of our own in Ultra 4. We race a 4Runner in the stock class. And this year we've been lucky enough to work with Greg Neff and sponsor his car. So I'll have him tell you a little bit about this car and what it is.
All right, thanks Hayden. So this is a Ultra 4 4800 Legends car. So guidelines for that class are single shock per corner, 2 seats side by side, front engine, solid front axle, solid rear axle, and unlimited motor size, unlimited shock size. Those are pretty much the main guidelines, and otherwise it's pretty unlimited.
So our first step is going to be scanning the roof and taking measurements. On this one, since it's pretty simple, we're gonna go ahead and not 3D scan it, and we're just gonna take some hand measurements. Once we have these done, we're gonna take it up to SolidWorks and get that in and get designing on it. When we tighten this mount, it pulled it up, so I don't think the roof is exactly flat or it bent when I tightened it, but regardless, we have quite a bit of rake now, which is not ideal. That was pretty close. It's a lot better. But we might need to go forward for the fairing a little bit. I think this is going to be it. So we just finished our test fitment and pretty happy with how it is. This took a couple versions to get it perfect. As we found out, that roof wasn't perfectly square, but very happy with how it looks now. Everything mounts perfectly. So we're going to go ahead and get this powder coated and get it mounted back up there. Get some photos of it. So obviously this is a bit of a one-off rack, not something we'd typically do, and we don't do custom work, but to see all the products that we do make, head to our website. Hope that this gave you a glimpse into what the whole process looks like. Thanks for watching.